best, Katie?
I mean homemade from the box.
Huh?
Homemade from the box.
There's no homemade from the box.
And yeah, today we are gonna be doing the mac and cheese blindfold. Super awesome, fun game. So you have to blindfold your eyes. My mommy's going first, and we have lots of people to play. So here's our kinds. It's the blue one, our homemade one from our last video, the cheesy one like Katie, and our yellow one. And we have to taste each one with blindfolded on us, and we have to guess which one. And whoever gets all of them right wins. And my mommy's putting on her blindfold right now. First, my mommy's gonna go, then I'm gonna go, and then my brother's gonna go, and then my dad is gonna go. He's filming. Whoever gets the most right gets a colored bowl with a bunch of chocolate chips. So enjoy this video, everybody. I can't wait to do this with you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna leave my mommy to her spot, and she's gonna taste all of them and guess. Okay, mommy, let's sit down.
Okay.
Welcome here. Please state your name for the camera.
I'm Sawyer's mommy.
Nice.
Where's Sawyer?
All right,
Here,
Sawyer,
here.
explain the rules to your mom.
So, mommy, I will grab your hand, and I will put your hand on a spoon, and you have to taste each one, and then you have to tell me which ones are which.
Who are the choices?
And the choices are Katie, Great Value, and Yellow None, and Homemade.
Those are the four choices.
I have to guess which is which?
Yeah, and then
Or
your
which one's my favorite?
which is which, and then which one is your favorite.
Yeah. So I'm gonna leave you
Start
to
with this
one.
bowl.
Yeah.
Can I bring it in front of me?
Yeah.
Okay. You're gonna bring it back?
Spoon.
I don't know. This is gonna be like blind eating.
Put the spoon to the side, not back in the bowl, please.
Or that's definitely blue, Katie. I think that one's crafted.
Okay, Sawyer, put the craft dinner box in front of it.
Gosh, this one's harder to spoon up. That's so good. Definitely homemade. But I have a big spoonful.
Yeah. Not back in the bowl.
Sorry. Wait, this might be a Katie.
What do you think this one might
Possibly, is there a Walmart brand?
There's a Walmart brand.
Maybe the Walmart brand? Ugh. I like the no-name brand. Ugh. Oh good, there, I'll jab myself in the face. Oh, that one tastes fun for now. Okay, this is Katie.
Sawyer, switch the
This
boxes.
is a Walmart brand.
Switch the boxes. All right, Ash.
Did I get them right?
You got 4 for 4. Good job.
be? The next person up is my brother. Oh, please.
Goodness, I'll check. Right here.
Wait, where? Here? Oh, okay, put your hand down. So, this is the rules. You have to take a bite of each one of these blindfolded, and you have to guess which one, and I have to move the box of which one you picked it, and the choices are homemade, you have KD, and you have the yellow flavor and the blue flavor.
There you go. Daddy's homemade for sure.
KD.
Okay.
Big bite. That's good.
That's very good. KD. KD. Blue.
This is their lunch.
I think that would be crafted.
Okay, you switch it.
Well,
So there's still the yellow option. Do you want to switch the two?
I would do yellow for which one? Wait.
the last one we just did?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you want to
Sawyer,
stick with
come
this you want to stick with these options?
Yeah.
Now I'm going to tell you what happened here. All right. Okay, Oak.
Oh, goodness.
You were
Wrong?
wrong on a few.
Oh.
This here was the Walmart.
Oh.
This here was the KD.
What?
This here was the yellow no name. And this was Daddy's homemade. You did say that was your favorite though, so that makes me happy. Was the second one still your favorite? After trying all four, which one was your favorite? Yeah, thank you, bud. All right, now you want to go walk Sawyer in blindfolded.
Next up, we have my sister Sawyer. Oh, yeah. Sit right
All right, here she is, Sawyer Olivia Harlow Fong from Sawyer and the Funky Bunch.
Hi.
You know the rules.
Take a bite.
Number
Not a
one.
huge bite.
I think it's KD.
Okay.
Homemade.
Homemade? Okay.
Yeah.
We'll put this out in the pile.
Valentine.
You bit your tongue. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Time out. The star bites her tongue. Next one.
Next one. You're here for. Bite it all.
I think it's a blue flavor. No. That is the no brand.
That's the no brand. It's
You
gross.
said the gross one was the yellow no name. Truth is, KD
What?
was that one.
I love KD though. I actually love this one.
You got one right.
Which one?
Homemade.
Homemade.
Oh, man.
Your favorite was the Walmart brand.
Yeah.
Okay, Sawyer, you did good. Daddy's turn.
Next up is my dad.
I trust you, Sawyer.
You're sitting in your own chair. Sit
Oh yeah.
down.
Alright.
Now I'm gonna give you your first bowl.
Okay.
What brand would it be?
That's kraft dinner.
Oh goodness.
Oh, it's hard. I'm gonna say that's Walmart.
You dropped one.
What?
Wow.
So is the first one no name?
Yeah, I would have to say so, I guess. I mean, I'd like to try them again. I don't even know what those two taste like.
Oh.
So good!
I know.
That was homemade. Good job, Sawyer. They're actually ridiculously similar.
One you thought was Walmart.
Now you're gonna have us.
Wait, sorry. That's kraft dinner.
Okay.
That's Katie.
Okay.
This one's is Walmart.
That's Walmart. Take your blindfold off. He guessed that one already.
Oh.
I don't know which ones are which.
I got it right.
Dad got it right? Daddy's the winner. He gets it.
Mom got 4 for 4 too.
Oh!
Get this somehow. We'll do a paper rock scissors battle to win the chocolate chips. Paper rock scissors rock. 1-0. Paper rock scissors.
Dang it. I wanted those
Daddy
chips.
gets the chocolate chips. I want.
Wait,
Oh, give me some. Get me some. Oh, thank you. Thank you, monsieur. Thank you. Thanks everybody for watching. Please subscribe down below. I hope you had fun watching. Don't forget to catch tomorrow's videos. Science catch his cook. Chocolate chips are awesome.